Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change reply to email in Mailchimp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by signing into Mailchimp and opening the campaign section from the dashboard. Locate the campaign you want to modify and select Edit to open the email builder. Once you're inside the campaign editor, find the From section. This area contains the sender information that appears in recipients' inboxes, including the sender name, sender email address, and reply to settings. Open the From settings and locate the Reply to email field. If Mailchimp provides an option to use a different reply to address, enable it and enter the email address where you want responses to be delivered. After entering the new address, save your changes. The updated reply to address will apply to that specific campaign, and any replies sent by subscribers will be directed to the email address you've specified. For best results, use an email address associated with the domain you manage rather than a temporary or unmonitored inbox. And that's it! So that's basically how you can change reply to email in Mailchimp. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.